Welcome back to Aura Coding. Today, we're putting ChatGPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 Pro to the test with a classic Python recursion error. Let's see which AI spots the bug faster and provides a cleaner fix. Game on! Here is the problematic code. We're trying to calculate a factorial recursively, but running calculate underscore factorial open parenthesis 5 close parenthesis immediately crashes Python with a recursion depth error. Let's look at why this happens. Every recursive call adds a new frame to Python's call stack. Without a stopping rule, the function calls itself endlessly into negative numbers, overflowing Python's memory limit. We gave both AI models the exact same prompt. Find the bug causing this recursion error and provide the corrected code. No extra hints were given. ChatGPT responded in just 1.8 seconds, correctly identifying the missing base case. It provided a clean fix along with a detailed step-by-step stack explanation. Gemini was even faster at 1.4 seconds. It instantly added the stopping condition and included helpful inline comments explaining the fix. By adding if n equals 0 or n equals 1, return 1, we set a boundary. Once the recursion hits 1, it stops calling itself and safely unwinds the values to return 120. Let's test the fix in VS Code. We paste the updated code into our file and hit run. As you can see in the terminal, it executes perfectly and prints factorial result, 120. Looking at the final scores, Gemini won on speed, while ChatGPT gave a slightly deeper stack explanation. Both scored 10 out of 10 for code accuracy. Pro tip, always check for negative numbers. Passing a negative integer can still bypass the base case, so throw a value error for inputs below 0. To recap, always define a base case in recursive functions, use AI tools for fast debugging, and remember to test your boundary values. Which AI model do you prefer for coding? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Aura Coding for more tech battles. Thanks for watching.